Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. You're bouncing up and down on a vine.
Ana, aka, vines are strong. They won't futty, snap.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
Ko Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, Is everyone there?
Ai.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā.
Mama and Pepe Moa have invited you to the beach to do some cloud kapua watching. But you must visit Kōkā first.
Kāpai, let's go see Kōkā.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. Mama and Pepe Moa have invited us to the beach to tiro kapua, cloud watch. But we don't know what tiro kapua is.
I've no doubt you'll soon know, Be alert. You might see a Whai, Stingray.
What's a Whai? Stingray, Kōkā?
One of Tangaroa's creatures. It's flat and shaped like a manu out there, kite.
Ooh, we might see a Whai, Stingray.
Just a minute, Pāpā Rākau's calling you. He has your piko, backpacks to take to the beach.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get to the beach?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
To watch out for a Whai, Stingray.
Do you know what a Whai, Stingray looks like?
We know it's flat and shaped like a kite.
Let's take a look. The Whai, Stingray, is flat and shaped like a kite. Can you see its eyes?
Eye? But where is its mouth?
Its waha, mouth, and piha, gills, are on its underside. All fish have piha, gills, so they can breathe underwater.
Ooh! Whoa! Whoa! Out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe.
Don't forget your recycling bags. You can collect pepper, paper. You collect the krahe, glass. You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia.
North wind blow gently, keep things firm ashore and at sea. 'Tis the place of Tangaroa, spreading to wide oceans, to long oceans. 'Tis the large domain of Tangaroa.
Don't forget, watch out, Pooh. You might see a whai, a stingray.
Ka pai. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe. We're off.
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the moana. See?
Yay!
Look! A whai! Stingray! Its pai-ho side fins are waving to say hello to us.
When Whai, stingray, are resting, they settle on the seafloor, flap their pai-ho, wing fins, and hide in the sand.
Whai! Stingrays are really amazing.
Backpacks off so we can collect rubbish.
Oh, I found a can.
I found some plastic.
That's not the right bag.
Yay! Got it right this time.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Welcome to the beach.
Kia ora, Mama. Kia ora, Pipi Moa.
Ka pai. Now then, we're going to lay down and watch the clouds and maybe see things formed by them.
Wait, Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock.
Whai.
Is the word of the day.
Let's look for a whai stingray in the clouds. Ira, I can see a whai. We can both see a pakia, humpback. We can both see a kākahi, orca.
Pepe more and I can see a torea, oyster catcher.
It's time for us to go home, Tākaro Tribe.
It was really good to see you again.
Good to see you and baby Roy again. Wait, our hands are dirty. Let's wash them. Matsi ara ro matsi kara, te wai wai o
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. You're back.
We had great fun watching the clouds with Mama and Pepe moa.
Ka pai. Let's take a look at what our friends have been up to today.
Whai! Stingray! Whai! Stingray! Whai! Stingray!
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. You were invited again by Mama and Pepe moa to the beach to play. On your way there, you saw a whai, stingray in the sea. You learned how to spell the word whai, f-I, whai. Then you lay down to watch the clouds and saw the shape of a whai. You also saw the shapes of a paikea, a kākahi, and a tōrea. Now that was a beautiful day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori, good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Roia tō mata, parai he hia o niho,